Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to see about how to draw inverting and non-inverting circuit in multisim and how to verify the waveforms using multisim software. In one lecture, in one session, we are going to see inverting amplifier. In another session, we are going to see about non-inverting amplifier. First, let me know inverting configuration. So, as you can see here, in inverting configuration, we all know that if you consider the point A and this is point B and this is point C. So as you all are know about that, we are assuming op amp is idle. Whenever op amp is we are considering as idle, then it will offers an infinite gain. So in that case, the voltage at positive terminal will be equal to 0. Similarly, we are considering that V plus is equals to V minus when it is in idle case. So V minus is also will be 0. Correct, right? So if you apply the Kirchhoff voltage law here, then sum of entering currents is equals to sum of leaving currents. So voltage flows from low voltage to high voltage. So 0 minus V in by R1, which is equals to 0, 0 or V naught. Clearly observe. So V naught minus 0 by R2. So minus V in by R1, which is equals to V naught by R2. Correct, right? So V naught by VI, V naught by VI, which is equals to minus R2 by R1, which is equals to gain of the our non-inverting amplifier. So here in question, if you ask design a op amp with gain as minus 2, then you need to choose the values of R1 R2 in such a way that you need to get this value of A, which is equals to minus R2 by R1, which is equals to minus 2. So to get that value as gain as minus 2, you need to choose the values of R1 and R2. So you want to get the R1 and R2 as minus 2. Then if I am choosing R2 as 2 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm, then R1 as 1 kilo ohm. Then I will get the desired value. Now we'll let you know which is executed in the multisim software. Here you can see I have been designing an inverting operational amplifier with resistance R1 as 1 kilo ohm and R2 as 2 kilo ohm with a peak to peak voltage of 5 voltage and with 1 kilohertz and 0 degrees phase. So this is the saturation voltage as well. I have been taken the 5 terminal voltage and oscilloscope. You want to find these components, then please click on place button and component, then you will search whichever component you want, that will be displayed accordingly. Then if you want AC power, DC power source, then if you want AC power source, then you can click all the sources, then you will get all the components whichever you want to design the circuit. According to that you can design from the here itself. So I have been taken oscilloscope. You want to display the output waveform, you can choose the here from function generator, oscilloscope, wattmeter, and so for the my purpose I am taking oscilloscope. So I have been taken positive terminal as ground, and for the negative terminal I have been given 5 volts. So let us see the output waveform. Let's run this one. Then to check the output, double click on oscilloscope, then you will get this waveform. So to clearly observe that one, please stop the operation, then you click on here you scroll this bar, then you will get this is the my input waveform which is present. So you can clearly observe that which is input waveform is in color of blue color. So this is the input waveform, and as we are all know that the input inverting operational amplifier definition, the output will be 180 degrees phase of the input. You can see that this is starting from 0, then output will be the 180 degrees phase. So you can clearly observe that, and with the I have been taken R2 as 2 and R1 as 1 kilo ohm. So minus R2 by R1 will be 2 by 1, which is minus 2. I have been designed a circuit with a minus 2 gain having input of 5 kilovolts and output will be 180 degrees phase shift. In this way, with the help of multisim, I am going to design a inverting configuration operational amplifier using operational amplifier or IC741. So if you have any doubts regarding the implementation and checking the waveforms, please let me know, and thank you for watching.